Hello and welcome to the tutorial for the Group Grow No Fasteners tool presented by Engineering Tools. I'm Jacob Brady. Let's dive right in. This tool allows you to grow an active group by connectivity while excluding fasteners. The tool requires an active group populated with at least one element and then grows the group membership by connectivity. I'll start by downloading a model from the Engineering Tools website. To do this, go to the website, go to the Help menu, select Example Model Library, and click the model to download it. After extracting the contents of the download, we will have a bulk data file stored on our computer. We can import this bulk data file by selecting File, Import, Analysis Model, Nastran, and navigating to the file. This file contains parts of a satellite. We will look at one of these parts and use the Group Grow No Fasteners tool to create a new group for that part. I'm going to choose this big section here because it's pretty easy to see. I'll first create a new group by right-clicking on the Groups section of the tree and selecting New. We will call our new group Body. Then I'll press OK. We now have a new active group in the tree. We will grow this group by first selecting an element to start with and using the Group Grow No Fasteners tool to grow the group until it hits a fastener. I'll first make sure that my new group is still active, which it is. You can tell that this group is active because it appears bolded in the tree. If it's not active, you can activate it by double-clicking on it in the tree. Then I'll go up to the Group tab, go down to Element, and select ID. This will allow us to select an element with which we can start our group. I'll select one of these elements in the middle of the part that I want to make the new group from. I could select any element on this part, but I'm choosing this one because it's clearly part of this body section. At this point, the only thing in our new group is the single element that I just selected. To include the surrounding elements, I'll go into the Engineering Tools section of my ribbon, select Model Organization, and select Group Grow No Fasteners. Since my new group is still active, it should go ahead and grow it. When the script is finished, you will see End Script written to the message window here. Now we can go back into the tree, and right-clicking on the tree, select Show Active Group. As you can see, the tool successfully grew our new group to encompass the entire part we're interested in. I'll bring back the whole model to point out how the tool stopped growing the group when it encountered a fastener. As you can see, our part is connected to surrounding parts only by fasteners along this edge. When the Group Grow No Fasteners tool encounters a fastener, it stops growing the group. This script considers fasteners to be spring dampers, otherwise known as C-bushes, degree of freedom springs, gaps, and rigids. This is customizable by editing the script as shown in the Advanced section of the Help page on the Engineering Tools website. Larger parts will require a greater runtime. In order to make sure you don't get trapped in a large model, this tool includes a timer that will notify you when it exceeds 15 seconds of runtime. To demonstrate this, let's do Group Grow No Fastener and create a group for this denser part here. First, I'll create a new group. We will call this group Edge. As before, I'll select an element to grow my group from. Then, I'll return to the Engineering Tools toolbar and select Model Organization and Group Grow No Fasteners. The script is now running. Once it reaches 15 seconds, it will present me with a dialog box, and I can choose to continue growing the group, continue without further prompts, call up the Help page, or exit the tool. I'll continue for another 15 seconds. Another 15 seconds pass, and the group is still going. In cases where you have a large number of connected elements, the group may take some time to finish growing. If you have the view set to show only the active group, you can regenerate your view by using Ctrl and G to see the progress before you make your decision. For now, I'll click Yes and Don't Ask Again so that the group finishes growing. This tool can be extremely useful when you're trying to organize or audit a model. As you can see here, we have shown the entire model, but hidden the edge group so that we can show the underlying parts. Using the Show Multiple Groups option, you can choose which groups you want to either show or hide at a given time. This can make it much easier to navigate a complex model. That's it for the Group Grown of Fasteners tutorial presented by Engineering Tools. Thank you for watching.